Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Solar Tech. In this episode, I want to conduct a quick sound and screen quality test of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The first clip will be the screen test with some sound. The second clip will be the sound test only. Before proceeding with the sound and screen test, I thought it'd be a good idea to show you where the speakers are located on this phone. So starting at the bottom, we have the main speaker, which is this grilled section here. And the sound is also pumped out of the earpiece at the top here. And for this test, I shall also be turning on Dolby Atmos. So just to conclude, I was impressed with the sound and screen quality of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and I can see why it appeals to people. What did you think of the test? Did it live up to your expectations, surpassed it, or not met it at all? The purpose of this video is to give those thinking of buying the Note 20 Ultra a taste of what they can expect from the phone in terms of sound and screen quality. So just to sign off, if you have enjoyed this video, a subscribe to the channel below would be great, and it is free to do. A like would also be magical. Anyway, my name is Shola. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.